What's up guys, KJ Trading here with another video. Today I'm going to be going over adaptive EMAs, the study that basically gives you these three lines that you can customize to whatever you want. Okay, so what is an EMA? Basically, what it stands for is it stands for estimated moving average. Okay, so this one, 9 to 9, that means every 9 bars, if I double click it, it's going to take an average of those 9 bars and make a line for those 9 bars. I have the color blue, so if I get out here, you can see the blue line. From these, every single 9 bars, it kind of takes the average and it moves the line up with the price. The 9 EMA is what you call it, is great for day trading. This is what day traders use to follow. This is one of them. This is a day trading stock that just started to gap up right now. Popped up on my scanner again, so this is why I'm going over it here. So I have 3 EMAs that I use. The 20 EMA, it's every 20 bars, it takes the average of the last 20 bars and makes it a line for you. That's always moving. So you can see them moving with the candle. They always move because it's every single time the candle moves, the average is different. So you can see them moving right now in action. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here so you can still see them moving. So the 20 EMA, all it does is it takes the last 20 candles and makes a moving average for it. So this is the moving average for, the last 20 candles, or that's what it is. Okay, this stock right here is favoring the 20 EMA, not so much the 9 EMA, because they're moving so much, they're going right through the 9 EMA. They're favoring the 20 EMA. And now the green line down here is a 200 EMA. So the last 200 days, you can see the green line going everywhere because it's getting pulled up. It's getting super extended. It's got to pull the 200 EMA up a lot. Now, when you're day trading stocks, the 200 EMA acts like a very nice support and a very nice resistance point. You can see, let me zoom in from here to here. They broke it, but basically got rejected twice, and they kind of stayed below. And then the EMAs carried them up as they were starting to trend upward. They broke the 9 EMA. They had good volume, and then they exploded. And then they kind of consolidated on the 20 EMA, which is my purple line. Okay, and that's what's happening. So now I'm going to show you how to actually do this. I'm going to get rid of them all, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So you want to type in EMA and click Adaptive EMA. You can double click it, or you can click it and click Add Selected, and it'll add it in as well. But double clicking is easier. Now, if you want 1, you only click it once. If you want 2, you can click it again. If you want 3 like me, then you get 3. And now, what I do, so they're not all different, or so they're all not the same, is click the little settings button on this one. This one, I make it 9. So you down, down. I keep it. I think I make this purple. No, I keep this one blue. 9 is blue for me. Okay, so I click OK. Now it's the 9 EMA. This one I'm going to make 20 EMA. So you double click here and you can type in 20. Double click 20. I like it on blue. OK. And then I make a 200. Oops. I make it 200. So you type in 200. 200. And I make it green just so it's different. Apply. Done. Zoom out. It's the same thing I just had. Not too sure why these are purple. I must have did something wrong here. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be purple or pink, whatever color that is. There we go. That's how I set mine up. We can go to a different stock. You can see they're trading below the 200 EMA, so they're basically bearish. They're bullish on the day, of course. This is a gap and go stock. I'm gonna zoom in here. You can kind of analyze them. They're kind of very choppy. They don't really have any volume, so they're not really favoring a certain EMA. If you go into like pre-market, you can see they're favoring the 20 EMA a lot. And when you hover over it, you can see at the top, it's purple. You can just see 20 EMA. So you always know what you're looking at. Over time, you'll just know that's what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure to leave a comment if you want me to make a more in-depth video. This is just a quick overview, not to make it too complicated for new traders. I know when I was first starting out, trying to learn everything, everybody makes everything way overcomplicated. I'm one of those people that just tries to make it simple because you don't need to overcomplicate everything. It's not that complicated, you know? These are EMAs, very simple to add to your chart. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and with that, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.